Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas 3.6 liter V6 SE. This is part of our pre-owned inventory. It actually is a really nice car. Great SUV. This is also a certified pre-owned vehicle. No, you. Not everything else. $40,185 was the original price. Deep black pearl, Titan black leatherette. Yeah. Yeah, let's go for a drive. I am a huge fan of the Atlas, especially in the higher trim levels, especially with the V6. The 2.0, it's a great motor, but the V6 sounds better and it fits the characteristics of the car a little bit more. While this is a bigger SUV, you don't really feel that driving it. You can still see the hood at the lowest seating position. Everything you would ever need or ever want in a driving position this has. Automatic shifts really quick. I do love all the font throughout here. The gauges have a great font to them. I mean, there is nothing to complain about with these. They are excellent SUVs, excellent, actually pretty good driver SUVs too. They feel very sporty. Obviously not like a Quadrifoglio, Stelvio or whatever, or a Macan or a Cayenne, but they're definitely up there. This is your certified pre-owned placard. It shows you what this comes with. Now, when I drive our used inventory with some miles on it, this one has 37,372 miles on it as I am filming this. So obviously, everything's not what it's like in a brand new car, but this one is an exception. After driving many brand new Atlases, this drives very, very similarly. Brakes feel absolutely phenomenal. Try panic stop here. Wow. Come down here, try out the turning circle. Even shifting with what the transmission wouldn't want to do, manual mode feels great. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.